TR here. This is our 5th video in the Navigating Our Calm course series. This is about how you submit items or documents to the assignment submission folder, and you access that by clicking on this link icon in the navigation menu bar. Let's take a look at the Human Sexuality Permission Form content page. You'll notice there's a video on how to do it. You'll notice that I've got the link, so if you have a writable PDF, you can use that format to submit this permission form. And if you don't, then print the form out, fill it in, and then take an image of it, and then you want to submit that to the assignment submission folders. And you access these assignment submission folders by the navigation menu bar or navigation menu bar icon assignment. So you click that link and it takes you to this window. You will see a sexual wellness permission form. You single click this, it will take you to this window. Now here is where you're going to submit your assignment. You click on Add a File and it will open up in a window and it will lead you through uploading that file, and if there's a comment you wish to make, you would put it in here, and then you just simply click Submit. That will take us back to here, and then your submission will be in this window. Okay? Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding how to use the assignments, please use your private discussions, and I'm happy to help you out. Remember, all assignments either go into the assignments folders or the discussion threads. Have a great day. Bye now.